Alright, challenge to anyone that thinks they got a cleaner S650 Mustang. And I'm not talking just some freaking racer bullshit. I want a clean build. Let me see what you got. We got carbon fiber rear splitter. We got carbon fiber tips. We got carbon fiber rear diffuser. Is that what I called that? That's check it out, check it out. Got some clean, nice wheels, carbon fiber. You know what I mean? Side skirts. Carbon fiber. Hood. We got the SS, Shelby grill on that thing. I know what you guys think.